What is cloud? Cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and databases that run on those servers. It can be categorized into 4 deployment types: private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and multi-cloud. A private cloud is a server or distributed network wholly dedicated to one organization. For example, it is likely to be used by government agencies and financial institutions that want enhanced and complete control over their cloud environment. Unlike private cloud, public cloud is a hyperscale and multi-tenant platform where computing services can be reserved or rented on demand, and it is owned and managed among multiple clients through a self-service interface. For example, it is usually deployed by organizations where cloud resources are accessed and utilized by multiple users. Hybrid cloud refers to a mixed computing, storage, and services environment made up of on-premises infrastructure, private and public cloud services. It is preferred by organizations that prioritize cost savings and productivity and look to minimize latency, privacy, and security issues. Whereas multi-cloud is the use of multiple cloud computing and storage services in a single network architecture. For example, organizations who look for multiple services from multiple cloud hosting providers to get the benefits from each unique service move towards multi-cloud environment. So, if we are to summarize this, cloud is the technological development that has significant impact on users and businesses, providing massive scalability, high performance, data resilience, and reliability, enabling them to focus more on the businesses itself to scale higher